Alright, my steering system is simplified. It goes from this corner here, straight to here, and out to here. So now, even have it hooked up with brakes now. So there's a lot less friction and resistance. It's only going through one point. That. It used to come to here and down and back and this way, so I can have a lever. Well, I can still have a lever here. Alright, let's see what it looks like sitting down in my temporary seat here. Just like a trike. Alright, so there we go. If I need to go farther in my turning, I'll just sit up a little bit and I can get really tight turning. Then I won't be doing this at speed, of course. At speed, it'll just be the ones here. And I can adjust this some. So this is just for testing. Later I'll have a lever right here. And so we attach here somehow. I can just back and forth like tank steering, right? And there we go. That's a lot easier to move.